òrìṣà àwúre, àwọn ńlá jẹ́. Òrìṣà àwúre, ọ̀bẹ̀rì ọmọ òrìṣà àwúre, àwọn ńlá jẹ́ bàbá. Òrìṣà àwúre, ọ̀bẹ̀rì ọmọ òrìṣà àwúre, àwọn ńlá jẹ́. Òrìṣà àwúre, ọ̀bẹ̀rì ọmọ òrìṣà àwúre, àwọn ńlá jẹ́ bàbá. Òrìṣà àwúre, ọ̀bẹ̀rì ọmọ òrìṣà àwúre, àwọn ńlá jẹ́. Òrìṣà àwúre, ọ̀bẹ̀rì ọmọ òrìṣà àwúre, àwọn ńlá jẹ́ bàbá. Òrìṣà àwúre, ọ̀bẹ̀rì ọmọ òrìṣà àwúre, àwọn ńlá jẹ́. Òrìṣà àwúre, ọ̀bẹ̀rì ọmọ òrìṣà àwúre, àwọn ńlá jẹ́ bàbá. Òrìṣà àwúre, ọ̀bẹ̀rì ọmọ.
Hi guys, and welcome back to Àwúre class. I'm Oshun Femi, and today we're diving into something really special. Practical ways to create and use Oògùn Àwúre, spiritual medicine that help reveal blessings and draw good fortune into your life. This episode is full of hands-on tips and rituals that you can easily work into your daily routine. So let's jump right in and get started.
Let's begin with a simple yet powerful daily ritual using dúdú, African black soap. While dúdú is traditionally used for spiritual cleansing, it only becomes truly potent when activated with your words, your lẹ́nu, and intentional prayers.
Start by placing a piece of dúdú in your left hand. Then you recite your mojuba. As you prepare to wash, remember that your words hold power. Let's begin by washing specific body parts while speaking the following of us.
Wash your head first and say, Orí mi jà fún mi, jẹ́mọ̀lẹ̀ mi ọjọ́ kùnkùn. Then wash your face and say, Mo gbà ara mi láyè tí àwọn bọ́jú paradà àti kí ọmọ bá ara mi. Then wash your neck, saying, Mo tú gbogbo àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ tí a kò sọ sílẹ̀. Move to your chest and say, Mo tú ìrora náà sílẹ̀, ohun gbogbo tí ó dá mi dúró láti nífẹ̀ẹ́. Then wash the lower part of your body, especially the navel, saying, Mo tú ìbínú àìdáìbalẹ̀ sílẹ̀. Wash your arms, saying, Mo tú ẹrù tí kìí ṣe tèmi sílẹ̀, mo sì jẹ́ kí ó lọ bá wọn ohun rere. And finally, wash your legs, saying, Báyìí mo tẹ̀lé àwọn ọ̀nà tí ó dára, àṣẹ.
With just dúdú and your words, your daily bath becomes a powerful magic ritual. Believe in your words. They shape your reality.
Remember that we need the goodwill of three primordial forces, Ọbàtálá, Ọ̀ṣun, and Ìyá-mi. You need all the àṣẹ of your mouth to address them so that they agree to release the àṣẹ for your preparation to work. Here is an àkọ́ṣẹ́ for making Oògùn to have strength in your words. You need papaya seeds, a whole pod of atare, and bananas. Ladyfinger bananas are preferred. Burn the two ingredients, the papaya and the atara seeds until they turn into a very fine black powder. Pour this powder into a small gourd. And when preparing ipeseyami or any oògùn or medicine, eat the powder along with the bananas so that everything you do will be accepted safely.
Now let's talk about leaves in Àwúre. Each leaf has its unique properties and purposes.
We have igi adama, which is almácigo. This leaf is excellent for baths to soothe. It is believed to chase away witchcraft, and it purifies. It is considered a good tree, and no negative magic can be done with its sticks. Then we have agogoigun. This plant attracts luck, especially for emotional matters, opens paths at work, and brings protection against misfortunes. It is recommended for those who go through misfortunes repeatedly. Then we have ewe agusi, which is almond, which is known for its ability to attract good luck. Also, any leaf that has Àwúre incorporated in its name, like Àwúre puepue. This leaf makes the expected responses come quickly. It attracts luck, money, love, and acts so that the person is recognized. It helps to avoid wasting time and optimizes time in general. It gives strength to speeches and requests. It protects against witchcraft or curses. It is also indicated to make the person more agile. Then we have Àwíjàre, coming from Àwúre, Ija, and Ire. This plant digs or uncovers blessings and fights for the good. This leaf is highly esteemed for its ability to enhance determination and success. Incorporating this plant into rituals can provide the fortitude and resilience needed to overcome challenges and achieve victory in competitive and legal matters. And then we have ewe efinrin, African basil or scent leaf. This leaf is cherished for its ability to attract luck, stabilize balance, and bring peace to those who use it. It is widely utilized against negative energies and for washing environments to purify them and make them lighter. Then we have ewe ipolerin, which is aloe vera. This plant is suitable for washing uri, your hands and feet, to synchronize thoughts, actions, and directions. And then we have ewe peregun. Peregun has the ability to bring luck, especially for money and business and prosperity. It promotes the healing of all types of illnesses, opens paths, and makes life move forward. Then we have ewe purutu, which is Indian almond. This leaf is recommended for cleaning environments. It wards off negative and undesirable energy and combats spiritual problems and evil spirits from places. Then we have ewe teemi, which is cinnamon, used for baths for ire. Its leaves are used for attraction baths, and the sticks are used in various recipes to work with Oshun for ire. In the absence of leaves, cinnamon sticks may be boiled and the water is used in its place.
These are just a few of the many powerful plants you can incorporate in your daily rituals. Remember, the ashe of these leaves works hand in hand with your intentions and prayers.
And we can make a simple Àwúre soap for prosperity and progress. You'll need ewe ajeko bale, which is lavender croton, a leaf that is difficult to find in the West. If you can't find this leaf, you can also buy it at the African Beauty and Hair Shop, where it is sold in powdered form called shebe powder. You'll need ewe yeye, which is hog plum leaf, some honey, and dúdú, Pound the leaves together with the soap, add the honey, and mix until soft. This soap can be used to bathe and open pathways for progress and prosperity. Another powerful ritual is making Oògùn Àwúre for Àwúre. Àwúre comes from the words Àwá, we, Ṣe, cook, and Jẹ, eat. Oògùn Àwúre means medicine that we cook and eat to uncover blessings. In a clay pot, warm shea butter until it melts. Then add the coconut water and bring it to a boil. Add 3 eggs and season it with salt. Let the water evaporate completely. Before eating it, chant the following offer. Bori bafio jukan orun sinu reaya. Onara ni omi gbawonu. Agbano nara ni ki emi ma fi ri owo gegege. Lambeyin ki ọmọdé àti àgbà ki wọ́n ma fi ọwọ́ lọ́wọ́ gbẹ̀mí gegege. Ashe. Then you say your prayers and you eat the eggs while focusing on your intentions. And we can make an Àsèjẹ Olókun Àwúre Ọlá. For wealth, we need 16 papaya seeds, 16 iyere pepper kernels, a piece of beef, a paw, salt, and an earthenware pot for cooking. Add the ingredients and fry with a paw. Then add the piece of beef. We consume it on the same day. Place a cloth under this pan in the shape of a head twist. Then pray over the food and consume. And we can make another Àsèjẹ Olókun Àwúre Ọlá. We need 1 fresh catfish, 1 bell pepper, 1 tomato, 1 onion, 1 banknote, pounded abamada leaves, and some palm oil. We make a sauce with the seasonings and the banknote. We add the fish. We cook everything together until the fish is well cooked. And we consume it in front of Eshu. Note that children of Oshun cannot do this Àsèjẹ because catfish is Ewa for Oshun. We cannot eat it.
I hope today's class inspires you to incorporate these practices in your daily life. Remember, whether it's a simple bath with dúdú or a carefully prepared Àsèjẹ, your intention and belief in your words are what make these rituals powerful. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you in the next class.